Hey everyone, Mira here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to learn Spanish from scratch as a beginner. The goal of this video is to give you a simple guide that anyone can use to start learning Spanish from home. When I say from scratch, I'm referring to beginners. Most of you watching may not be starting at zero. You may have tried learning Spanish in school or on your own, but you're still in the early stages. That's exactly why this video exists. In this video, I'll be talking about a tool called Pimsleur, which is especially helpful for beginners. It's one of the few programs that's built almost entirely around audio. So instead of focusing on memorizing vocabulary lists, you're actively listening and speaking out loud, using real conversations from the very beginning. Throughout the video, I'll explain how Pimsleur fits into learning Spanish from scratch, and why this type of approach works so well for beginners. And if you want to try it out, I'll include a discounted link in the description below that gives you a deal that you wouldn't get by going directly to their website. Alright, let's start with some key tips that can make a big difference when you're just starting out. First, it's important to create a routine, set realistic goals, and embrace mistakes. Consistency is key in language learning, so even if you can only dedicate 10 to 15 minutes a day, that's enough to build momentum, which makes it easier to get into the habit. And before you know it, it'll become part of your daily routine. Learning a new language means stepping out of your comfort zone, and mistakes are just part of the process. The more comfortable you get with making mistakes, the more confident you'll become. Remember, each mistake is a chance to learn something new, so don't let it hold you back. Now, Pimsleur has been around for over 50 years, and it's designed to help you speak a new language using its audio-based method, and it focuses on real-life conversations and practical phrases that you might actually use. It was created by Dr. Paul Pimsleur, which that's why it's called Pimsleur, a linguist and language expert who really believed that learning a new language should be simple and accessible for everyone. The program originally started out with cassette tapes and CDs, which is kind of crazy to think about now, but it's come a long way since then. And today, they have built out a full online platform, including an app and web version. Now, since it's entirely audio-based, it's super convenient because you can use it almost anywhere, while walking, driving, commuting to work, cooking, or working out. It fits easily into a daily routine, and everything is designed to be practical, focusing on real conversations that make sense in everyday situations. And each session starts with a short conversation, and then it breaks it down into smaller parts that you basically repeat out loud. This helps the language stick more naturally and encourages consistent speaking. So that way, over time, this repetition improves pronunciation, especially for sounds that feel unfamiliar at first. In many ways, this mirrors how babies learn a language, by hearing words and phrases repeatedly before fully understanding them. There's no pressure to memorize rules. Understanding develops naturally through repetition and exposure. Another useful feature is how the app brings phrases back right before you're about to forget them. At first, you might not notice it much, but over time you start memorizing words and phrases automatically, even without actively reviewing them. Beyond the core lessons, Pimsleur includes additional tools that can be useful between sessions. There are digital flashcards to reinforce new vocabulary, along with short quizzes that can help you track progress without feeling like it's a test. It's also worth noting that access to some of these extra tools depends on the plan that you choose, which I'll break down later on in this video. Now I want to get into a few more features that I think are super helpful, and so the first is the pronunciation feature, which is especially helpful as it listens to how words are spoken, and it gives you immediate feedback, helping you correct small mistakes before they turn into habits. Another feature that is a small but very practical detail is the ability to download lessons and use them offline. This makes it easier to stay consistent during commutes or in areas with unreliable internet access. As for the results, Pimsleur states that basic conversational skills can develop in about a month with around 30 minutes of practice per day. It's important to be realistic though. This doesn't mean fluency. At this stage, learners can usually understand simple introductions, directions, and basic words in Spanish. More advanced conversations take longer, but the gradual structure makes the process feel more manageable. And when you know you're making progress, it's easier to keep going. But one thing worth mentioning is that because everything is built around audio, there isn't much reading or writing practice. That's great if your main goal is speaking and understanding. But if you prefer visual learning or detailed grammar explanations, this might not be the best standalone tool for you. Another point I want to mention is the repetition. Pimsleur uses spaced repetition intentionally, so you'll hear the same phrases multiple times. Some lessons may start to feel familiar, especially if you move quickly, but that repetition is also what helps everything stick. Whether that's a positive or a negative, it really depends on how you like to learn. Alright, so that's all well and good. But I'm sure you're wondering how much Pimsleur actually costs. And so there are a few different ways to sign up depending on what you're looking for. They let you try a full lesson for free. That gives you a sense of how their method works without committing to anything just yet. If you're interested in only learning Spanish, there's a lifetime plan that costs about $150 per level. That gets you 30 core lessons along with all the premium features, like the pronunciation tools and offline access. So if you know you'll stick with one language, that's probably the simplest all-in-one option. But if you're planning to learn more than one language, or just want the flexibility to switch things up, they also have an all-access subscription. That one starts at around $21 a month, and it covers every language that they offer. And you'll save a bit more if you choose a longer plan. And just so you know, Pimsleur includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it out, see how it feels, and cancel if it's not the right fit for you. So here's the big picture. In my opinion, when it comes to learning Spanish as a beginner, if your main goal is to sound more natural and actually feel comfortable speaking, Pimsleur is a really solid option for that. The lessons are simple and they build on each other in a way that makes sense. And the pronunciation feedback helps catch things you wouldn't even realize you were saying slightly wrong, especially at the beginning. It doesn't feel overwhelming, it's easy to stay consistent and it fits into real life. If you stick with it and give it some time, it can be a really good way to start learning Spanish. Again, if you're interested in trying Pimsleur out, I've left a discounted link in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, a thumbs up is always appreciated. And if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.